been a year since I've started this FPV journey, and just wanted to do a little bit of reflection and kind of reflect on some of the ways that FPV has changed me. One area is that my wallet is a lot lighter, and it's not even that it's FPV is expensive, but I've noticed that it's changed my mentality around spending money. When I first started FPV, I remember just toiling over, how to get the best value. I guess it's a little bit like gambling. Like, it's a slippery slope. Once you open your wallet and you say okay to spending, then now every other purchase you can easily justify, or sometimes you don't even need to justify anymore. Like, for instance, buying props, right? Sure, they're $6-7 a pop for a pack, but I used to toil over spending that sort of money. Before this, I was playing video games, and I would only buy Steam games when they were on sale. I would hardly buy anything new unless it was one of my from a franchise that I just adore, Monster Hunter. Otherwise, I just wait for sales. I wouldn't buy anything. But it's so different with FPV ever since starting this hobby. We're gonna bash and crash this thing, and so it is gonna break. It's really silly. I don't know. I guess this is just hobbies in general, and I never really done hobbies or something, or is it just unique to FPV? I don't really know. I don't really do anything else outside of this before FPV, because I only play video games, and that is a very economical hobby, I'd say. After a year of flying, that's the other thing. You kind of hone in on the reason why you're flying, because originally for me I didn't really know. I thought I wanted to fly because I wanted to collect really nice footage, which I think I still like to do that, and I still like to make videos that fly just for the visuals. But the other thing is just getting better at freestyle and my control over the stick, because that's been a lot of fun. Started off in DJI, I started off with the Avata 2 because I thought that the safety features would be necessary, and then I found, as a noob, I never even used the safety features because I had too much going in my mind to even remember to hit the pause or standby button, and I never used it. So from that point on, I figured, damn, every time I crash, it's expensive, and also this thing is heavy, and I couldn't fly anywhere I wanted to because it was over 250 grams. After I had my fun with that, and I kept the goggles, kept the controller for a bit until I decided that even the controllers were a bit limiting for me, because I felt like the gimbals weren't the best on there, and they weren't as accurate, and also there wasn't that many buttons to be able to program. Even though there's not too many buttons you would need anyways when you're flying drones, it was nice to have the options. So that's why now I got myself, back then I had a Pocket, and now I'm on the GX12. And go back to the first point, right? Geez, can't stop spending. All right, so the last thing that I've learned, you people on the internet are really awesome, because I wouldn't have imagined that people would watch my stuff, but here I am. I got some subs, not a lot of subs, because, well, frankly, I don't put enough effort into these videos as much as I should for you folks, so I'm sorry. But I'm just trying to share as much as I can, and then whatever learnings I learn along the way, which I think I want to share, then I do so. Yeah, I know my editing and the composition and the audio, everything could probably use a lot of work, the packaging, my own delivery, but I'm really happy, and something that I'm very grateful for, to have people watch to begin with. That's really cool. I'm pretty much an introvert when it comes to this hobby. I just want to hide away and fly on my own. I'm trying to change that. I am going to a event here in Vancouver, so it's nice that I kind of found my people through YouTube, and that's kind of it. So thanks for tuning in to me ramble about stuff, and it's been a fun year so far, and I don't see myself stopping anytime soon. So with that, I will see you in the next one. Later, folks.